Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you. Let's start. 6 simple ways to detox your liver. The human body comes in contact with different kinds of toxins throughout the day. Thus the need for a serious detox. You will be able to enjoy a good and healthy life only when your body will remove the toxins effectively. Your liver is one of the mediums through which toxins move out of your body. It works hard and round the clock to digest food, break down hormones and store essential vitamins, nutrients and minerals. This is why it is important to know all the ways to detox your liver and remove toxins more easily. Signs of an unhealthy liver. Below is a list of symptoms that you might experience when suffering from impaired liver function. Constipation, high blood pressure, dark urine, bloating and gas, acid reflux and heartburn, inability to lose weight, chronic fatigue, easily get bruised, poor appetite, moodiness, anxiety or depression, rosacea, sweating excessively. Best ways to detox your liver. Number 1. Consume more water. Starting off easy, water is great and one of the best ways to detox your liver. When the toxins in the liver don't move, it causes us problems. When we consume more water, the liver is able to move the toxins out more effectively. However, not any water will help with full detoxification. You must drink filtered tap water at specific intervals and it should also be at room temperature. Drinking water when waking up, in between meals, avoiding too much water 2 hours before bed, not while eating, and drinking water in the early evening can be very effective. A pinch of salt or turmeric in your water can do wonders for your detoxification process. While you are at it, avoid carbonated water or water sold in plastic beverage containers. Number 2. Sweating is the way to go. It is imperative for your body to sweat. If you are sweating simply by walking or due to the weather, it won't help you much. The sweat coming out of your body as a result of exercise has its detoxifying benefits. If you haven't been working out, start indulging in a regular exercise regime to allow the toxins to come out of your body. Yoga, going running, hitting the gym or a simple sauna session can also prove effective. Sweating is the way to go if you are looking for simple ways to detox your liver. Number 3. Say goodbye to toxic foods. Fast food has become a way of life. Without knowing, we consume great quantities of processed foods that put the liver's health at risk. Refined oils, sugar and convenience foods add more toxins to our system and deprive it of needed nourishment. So, if you are thinking of how to detox your liver, then saying goodbye to processed food is an important change that you must make in your diet. Replace such foods with liver-friendly healthy choices. Number 4. Raw vegetable juice to the rescue. Including all raw vegetables in your diet can be a bit daunting for most people. However, if you don't wish to miss out on all the amazing benefits of raw vegetables, you can juice them out. Be creative and mix different vegetables to get a juice that is rich in taste and also cleanse your liver in the wake. If your liver isn't functioning at its optimum capacity, vegetable juice will also be much easier to digest and ready for absorption. It will help you to reduce acid levels in the body and reach a healthy pH balance. It's one of the best ways to detox your liver. Number 5. You need potassium-rich foods. The human body needs the recommended 4,700 milligrams of potassium per day. When your food is potassium-rich, it helps in cleansing your liver, lowering the systolic blood pressure and cholesterol and supporting a healthy cardiovascular system. Foods like sweet potato, tomato sauces, beet greens and spinach, beans, and bananas are high in potassium. When you start consuming such foods regularly, you don't have to think about how to detox your liver. These foods will do wonders. Number 6. Liver support supplements. Sometimes, the simple ways to detox your liver stated above can take a little time to work their charm. To speed up the detoxification process, you can take help of liver support supplements. Beetroot and turmeric are some natural supplements, but there are also medications that you can choose from. They will help you detoxify the liver and ensure a healthy liver function. Remember, these best ways to detox your liver are something that every individual must try to make sure that the body is detoxifying. However, if these methods don't work, then it is imperative that you seek the help of a doctor. Thanks for watching my videos. If you want more videos, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get my new videos early. Thank you. See you next time.